Today we are getting front stuff. We're going to try to get front onto the body.
Okay, let's do it.
Here he comes there.
Keep her coming. Gotta loosen it right up.
He's coming out. The sand's falling out.
That's okay.
We got a sandblast. Oh, got one out. I'll put that in the cart. A little sand from when we had the sandblasting. Which way are you going to turn it?
Okay, hope you lose it.
Oh, that is rough. How does he do it? I think I got it now.
That hurt?
Yeah, it's still really hard, but it's slowly coming. Okay, I can't get that one. Oh, starting to now. There it comes. There we go.
Well, what we gotta do now is get this marked up. I gotta get it. Excuse me.
Okay guys, see this part right here of the spring? This was one of the hardest things to get on. We probably spent an hour just trying to get this on. Right, Dad?
Yep.
You had to use a lot and lots of ratchet straps to get that on. What do you think is going to be harder, a full frame or this frame?
I don't know.
Hopefully when we get this done, this guy's going to be jumping.
That's your eyes. Okay, we'll Alright, go lower the, look at this right here. Should hit right here. That should hit right here, okay? Drop the handle on the wagon. Real quick. Set it down. Hold the black lever first. Pull it hard. Yep. All the way down. Let it down. Keep going. Don't stop till I tell you. Okay, right there. You got it there. What are you doing in my car? Putting it in your pocket.
What?
You just put in your pocket.
Money.
From where?
The truck.
There's no money in there that belongs to you.
No, the windshield.
That ain't your money.
I know. Chris says put it somewhere safe.
Leave it on the windshield.
No, I'm gonna put it in my safe where it's really safe.
I'm gonna put my foot in
What,
your
when they
butt.
call it a safe? Because your money's safe.
I'll put my foot in your butt. See this hole right here? Put it down in there. See it? You're gonna have to make sure that nut stays on there. See in there? You might want to hold it like that with a magnet. And I gotta get my bolt started in there, okay? Make sense? Yes, no? Okay. Bring it up to me.
What?
Hold the nut down so you close it up. Hand me that ratchet right in the stub there. Grab your wrench. Okay, raise it up, Mark. Good right there, buddy.
Oh! We got it on, baby!
Told you we would. Really not much to this car.
Probably the general
Yeah,
lead,
no.
probably the general lead chassis should be.
She's back on there. I'm happy to see it.
No, we got an old chassis.
Oh, whoa. Bring a couple wheels. We gotta get some leaf springs for this thing. Get it down bush and get out of there. Marky, hand me need a piece of pipe. Hand me that gray pipe over there by the.
Pretty tight. Is it?
Let's see. Yeah, that'll work. A little bit bigger than I wanted.
What you gotta do when you need more force?
Well, you get more torque, you know, you put that big bar in there.
Isn't there something else? I think it's tight.
Well, it's only on 4 bolts that holds that to that little body, so.
There's probably a lot more on the charger.
I have no idea. The Charger's a full frame car. But I tell you what, I'm not doing all that work on the Charger.
What?
I'm not doing this amount of work on a charger because I don't like chargers. You know, I don't want to have to tear a whole charger apart because I don't like chargers. You know what I mean? You like chargers, then I'll help you as much as you help me on this. I promise
So
you
that's a lot.
Okay.
A lot.
You know, when I'm under there tightening them up and you're over here in the truck, sitting in the truck, that's what I'm going to be doing next time.
Why are you going to the truck? Look at the time.
The new brake line, I need one brake line, probably about a 20-foot piece.
How many brake lines are on a car?
Well, you got one that comes from the front all the way to the back. That supplies the fluid to the rear brakes. Then you got one coming out of the reservoir that goes to the left side, one coming out that goes to the right side.
So, like, how many, so there's just brakes on the front of the car?
And the rear.
Where the gas tank went.
Well, there's the old fuel line right here.
I always thought gas tanks were, like, I literally thought if you took the walls off inside the car, you would just find, like, a big tank. Like, inside the fence.
Good couple hours of tack welding under here. We'll be looking good, mark the curve. Like it. Let's go back together. Well guys, here we are working on our 68 Camaro. We haven't touched it in probably
2 months?
6 or 8, 10 weeks. We've been busy playing, but we want to get it done before spring. So now we're really going to push hard every day to work on this car. So right now, what are we doing, Mark? What are we trying to get finished up?
We're going to try to get both of the door hinges off, the locks.
Yep, we're gonna get the doors prepped, and we're gonna try to shoot it in a high build primer tomorrow, which is gonna be Thursday. So we got our work cut out for us, but if we stay busy, I think him and I can get it done. How's it going on that door handle, Marcus?
We've got the first one off. I just took out that big one off.
No kidding. What about this trim ring? Can you get that trim? Get the handle first. That's what they look like out.
How did you do it so fast?
Yeah, I'm the old guy.
Oh my god.
That's the old guy in there.
Yours is easier.
Yeah.
Oh, I got it. Where'd you put the other screws?
It's right there on the time machine. I'm sure right back in the door handle, though, Mark. I think we should get rid of door handles.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all pitted up.
There we go. Dad.
Put the nuts and bolts back and put the bolts back in there. Pretty basic handle though. You see how it pushes on that button in the door?
Yeah.
And that's how they open it.
Yep.
I wonder how this trim is on there. Well, we just popped the window trim off, and we found more of the original Rally Green. We want to know what color our YouTubers want the Camaro. Should we paint it the original Rally Green, or should we change the color to red or orange or white or gray? So we're a little curious on that if anyone has a opinion or a suggestion. But let's get this door sanded and get it ready for some filler. got a little bit of body filler we got to do on the rear quarters. And then tomorrow we're going to hopefully shoot it in the high build primer. And Marcus has to remove the lock out of the door now so that we can just get that painted nice. Alright, we're throwing the heat on, Mama.
Go for it.
Yeah, I got it.
That a boy. Hi.
Yes.
You got the flashlight? There's no screws for that. There's a big C clip in there.
C-clip?
Yep.
Oh, yeah,
See
yeah.
how it
looks
just snaps right in there?
yeah, it
easy?
looks like that needs to just bump
Probably
down.
could just pop it down off with a screwdriver.
Looks like that needs like switch down and it'll come off.
Actually, what it does is it pops back that way, Mark, towards the front of the car. I'm gonna get your flat screws on it right here. Look at See that? See that? Right there?
Yeah.
What you want to do is